Now, I've gotten a lot of messages from a whole bunch of people saying, hey, you can actually get the About Me beta feature on Discord, just watch this video. And I've watched the video and I've told them, wow, you are so dumb, change your password right now. And why am I getting mad at them? Well, that's because first off, there is no way of getting the About Me beta feature without Discord giving it to you. So, most of these videos are meant to either clickbait or, in this case, they are trying to steal your account information. Now, how do I know that? First off, the video is a little sketchy because the like and dislike ratio is hidden and comments are turned off. Next up, if you actually click on the link script, you'll notice, wow, this doesn't look like code. If you understand coding, the main thing you know is that coding is meant to be legible for humans and also computers. In this case, this is not legible for any human at all. I have no idea what's going on, and I've taken one coding course, and I call myself an expert. Now, if you were naive enough and you copied this code, opened up Discord console, the Discord console will still tell you, hold up, if you're trying to paste anything in here, chances are you're being scammed. In this case, it's 100% correct. Now, how do I know that? Well, a couple days ago, I actually been looking at this, and they forgot to obfuscate their code correctly. Obfuscating the code makes it look weird. It's like reading Braille with your eyelashes, but the whole point is that they messed up and they left in a couple of little spicy words that kind of makes me understand what's going on here. And that's first off, they are putting in a username word. Why would they need your username to turn on the experiments tab? Next up, there's a login word. Now this might be some disputable proof, but the last two photos kind of seals the deal for me. The third photo, get token. Why are they getting my token? That doesn't make sense. But it might be cool, you know, they have your token, but it's still on my computer. Well, nope, you're wrong. They actually send it off to a remote server where they get to get all your information, then they'll log into your account and either sell it or use it for something else. So, if that made absolutely no sense to you, and you were one of the unlucky few that pasted in some random code into your Discord console, you need to change your password pronto. The whole point of these videos, as well as a couple other that have just been suggested to me, are only meant to steal your account information. So please, please remember that you cannot get the About Me beta feature. The hype is making a lot of people turn off the critical thinking skills in their brain, and it's causing a lot of people to get hacked. So, please, change your password if you've done this, and don't paste anything into your damn console. It's not that hard. I love you. Be safe out there. Mwah. Love you. Oh, Windows build.